A short story. Apple Adventure. Anna has a red apple. She gives half to her friend Ben. They eat under a big tree. The apple tastes so sweet. Slow version. Anna has a red apple. She gives half to her friend Ben. They eat under a big tree. The apple tastes so sweet. Now your turn. Question. What color is Anna's apple? A. Red. B. Green. C. Black. The correct answer is red. Next. Who eats the apple with Anna? A. Mom. B. Ben. C. Billy. The correct answer is B. Ben. Next. What fruit does Anna have? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Orange. The correct answer is A. Apple. Where do Anna and Ben eat the apple? A. Under a big tree. B. At school. C. In the house. The correct answer is A. Under a big tree. The last question. How does the apple taste? A. Salty. B. Sour. C. Sweet. The correct answer is C. Sweet. Well done, everyone. You did a great job. See you in the next story.